Okay, hey, shalom, Israel, Most High in Christ bless. Here at the Curse of Miriam film premiere, who do we got in the building right now?
Hey, shalom family, Captain Mattathias.
Captain Mattathias. Hey, Cap, got a question for you.
Yes, sir, yes,
How
sir.
you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great, man.
Feeling great?
Feeling excellent.
All praise to the Most High. Hey, what are your thoughts about this film?
Well, you know, I saw it.
That's what I got. You got a sneak peek?
Yeah, no. This film's excellent. Shouts out to Deacon Isaac, everybody who was involved. It allows us to see history, true imagery that's historically accurate, biblically accurate. All of the people here in the Southeast Premier, I guarantee you're going to leave here satisfied and inspired and empowered as well, seeing your people on the screen and actually living and acting out what really happened.